Food and drink vocabulary for kids. Pizza. Ice cream. Hamburger. French fries. Chicken nuggets. Spaghetti. Pancakes. Waffles. Hot dog. Sandwich. Macaroni and cheese. Chicken wings. Popcorn. Sushi. Tacos. Burritos. Fried rice. Mashed potatoes. Cake. Muffin. Cupcake. Donut. Cookies. Brownies. Apple pie. Banana split. Popsicle. Jelly beans. Gummy bears. Milkshake. Nachos. Omelet. Cereal. Fried fish. Rice pudding. Chicken salad. Chicken fajitas. Pickles. Tomato soup. Croissant. Corn dog. Quesadilla. Curry. Dumplings. Onion rings. Tater tots. Buffalo wings. Caesar salad wrap. Scrambled eggs. Lemonade. Coffee. Tea. Juice. Soft drink. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.